As flushable wipes are becoming more and more popular, perhaps you're asking yourself, are these wipes okay for my internal house piping, my sewer system, or if you have a septic system, am I going to experience any problems? Now, they're marketed as neat, convenient alternative to toilet paper. While flushable wipes may seem safe and user-friendly, they actually contribute to serious plumbing issues that you'll want to avoid. So here's some of the reasons why flushable wipes are bad for plumbing. The main reason: wipes don't disintegrate like toilet paper. Perhaps the main reason why you should opt for traditional toilet paper is that flushable wipes, again, they don't disintegrate when you flush them. Even as marketing agents claim these are flushable, the truth is that many retain intact in your sewer system. Now, toilet paper typically breaks down within 24 hours of flushing, but wipes remain intact even after use. This can lead to a plethora of plumbing issues. Boom, blockages. With that in mind, one of the most notorious issues that plumbers claim wipes cause in the blockages in your sewer system are the flushable wipes. They cause issues in your septic tank as well, and they can lead to sewage backups throughout your home, in your sinks, your drains, your water fixtures. Anyone who's ever experienced a sewer backup, they can attest it's an unpleasant event to have to deal with. Even industrial grade pumps risk damage. Wet wipes can overheat your pumps, which can require extensive and costly repairs. Another blockage to note is that wipes can lead to Fatbergs. Now basically, a Fatberg is a condition in which fat, grease, dirt, and other debris collect and clog up your pipes and drains. Now, it's whether small or large, Fatbergs require extensive repairs to both residential and commercial properties. It doesn't matter if you're a homeowner, a landlord, or a commercial property owner. The other reason why flushable wipes are bad for plumbing is that they lead to, again, the expensive repairs. Sewer system damage, Fatbergs, clogs, and broken water pumps cost thousands and thousands of dollars to fix. In extreme cases, this may result in a complete septic system replacement, a complete sewer replacement, and the best way to ensure these issues never occur is to throw your wipes away instead of flushing them. Now, even if you don't notice any issues in your home or your property, wipes cause issues for the water treatment facilities as well. As a result, municipality workers work to prevent further water treatment issues that may hold taxpayers responsible. If you notice any plumbing issues in your home or your business, such as clogs, sewer breaks, or septic issues, the first thing you're going to want to do is reach out to a licensed master plumber. Have them come and evaluate and guide you on what you need to do. Have a good day.